to draw a triangle, you need only 3 measures. A triangle has 6 measures, but you need only 3 to construct a triangle. And for a quadrilateral, you need 5 measures. A quadrilateral has 8 measures, 4 sides and 4 angles, but you just need 5. Okay, just understand this algorithm. A triangle, maybe suppose this is labeled by, suppose the triangle is LMN. Okay, so the first measure locates 2 vertices. No, and then for the, because 2 vertices are already there, so for the third vertex we need 2 measures more. So how many are there now? That means we only need 3 measures. No, suppose we have been given mn equals 3 centimeter. So when we use this first measure, so we'll get m and n. Now we are left for the third, which is third vertex, which is L. To reach at L, we need 2 more measures. We cannot simply say L is 3 centimeter from N. Okay, because there are many points which are 3 centimeter from N. So for the third measure, we need 2 more measures. Those measures can be angle, can be side. Okay, so basically, so please make a note, we need 3 measures to construct a triangle. Now if we have a quadrilateral, suppose PQRS. Okay, so first measure will give us 2 vertices. Now how many vertices are left? 2 more, and for each we need 2 measures. So 2 vertices, this is 1 more vertex, and then we need 1 more vertex, and for each vertex we need 2 measures. Okay, so in total how many measures? 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. Sorry, here 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. Okay, so if we have a 10-sided figure, with 1 measure we will locate how many vertices? 2 vertices. The moment we draw AB, we get A and B both, means 2 vertices. Okay, so how many vertices are left? Because it's a 10-sided figure, so there will be 10 vertices. So how many are left? 8 more vertices are left, and for each of them we need 2 measures. Okay, so how many measures are needed here? For 8 vertices we need 16 measures, and here we had the 1 measure with which we located the first 2 vertices. Okay, so 16 and 1, 17. Okay, so just see the algorithm. Okay, just see the algorithm, how many measures are needed for each figure, each type of figure, 2-sided, 3-sided, 4-sided. Okay, so if you have some observation, if you observed some general pattern, okay, in terms of n, then just comment in the comment box. Now come over to the question. Draw a square of side 4 centimeter. By giving this information, you are actually been given all 8 measures. No, you know, square is a 4-sided figure, so it has 4 sides and 4 angles, so in total 8, and you have been given all those 8 measures, because each side is 4 and each angle is 90 degree, as it is a square. So this is your first question. You have to draw a square of side 4 centimeter. You have been given all 8 measures, but you just need 5 measures to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, so you are going to, first of all, you're going to make a dummy. Okay, and in that dummy you will be labeling only those 5 measures that you are going to construct, going to use to construct the square. Okay, same is to be done for this. It also have 6 measures, Okay, because each side is 6 centimeter, and because it's an equilateral triangle, so all angles are gonna be equal. So in a way you are also being given the measure of 3 angles. So you'll draw a dummy, but you'll not label all 6 measures. You're going to label only those measures which you are going to use for the construction of equilateral triangle.